Welcome to the LiveWebinar Agenda Creator tutorial. The Event Agenda Creator is a great tool that allows you to customize an agenda with images, tables, and colors. You have access to multiple text and formatting options. You can add bullet points and numbered lists, insert tables and images, and more. Let's get started. First, click Schedule Webinar to create a new event. Go through the usual steps, and next, scroll down to the event agenda. You have multiple options that you can use to customize and create the agenda that works best for you. Let's introduce them. First off, you have the clear formatting and undo and redo buttons. Next up are the paragraph and text style options. And here, you can customize the appearance of your text, whether you want it to be bold, italicized, or highlighted in color. You can change the alignment of your text, add bulleted or numbered lists, add tables, change the indentation, insert or edit images, and add links to your text. In this section, you can preview what you've created so far, check what it looks like in code, or consult the help section. Let's create an example agenda. We've added some text, and let's add an image. To do so, go to Insert or Add an Image, and paste the URL source. Without a URL, the image will not be added. Next, set the class to Default, and add an alternative description if you like, and click Save. You can resize the image as needed. Next, we'll add some color to our text with a highlight, and let's add a table. To create a table, click on the table icon, and then you can select its size. You can also edit the table here. To add some color, right-click on the table. The table properties will pop up. Here you can control the height, width, and cell padding. If we want to add color, click on Advanced. Here we can change the borders of the table, cell background color, and border color. And there you go! Those are the basics of creating a custom agenda. The agenda will save automatically for the event, so once you click Schedule, it will be applied to your waiting room. Be sure that in the Advanced tab you've toggled, the attendees will enter waiting room feature on. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our social media channels to stay up to date on all things LiveWebinar.